All right, guys, welcome to our Thursday math lesson. So today we combined two of the things that we did last week. So changing an improper fraction to a mixed number and a mixed number to an improper fraction. So all you have to do is just 4 problems today. So what we're going to start with is having two mixed numbers that we're going to change to improper fractions. So I'm going to put them both on the screen. You can go ahead and pause and change them to improper fractions. So go ahead and try that now. All right, now that you're back with me, we're going to go ahead and change these to improper fractions. So how I do it is I take my denominator and I multiply that by my whole number, my outside number. So I'm going to take 2 times 6, and 2 times 6 is 12. So I have 12 halves. And then 12 halves, I need to add in the 1/2 then. So 12 halves plus 1/2 is 13 halves. And that is your improper fraction for 6 and 1/2. So they're the same thing. All right, so now for 7 and 2/4, I'm gonna multiply 4 times 7, which is 28. And 28 then is gonna go over the fourths. So 28 fourths plus what's left over, which is the 2/4. So I'm going to get 28 plus 2, which is 30. And my denominator is 4. So 30/4 is my answer for that. So if you got both of those right, virtual high five. 2 of them, because you got both of them right. Good job. All right, the next ones now are going to be improper fractions that you need to change to mixed numbers. So we're going to have 32 sixths and 47 fifths. All right, so go ahead and pause your screen and try both of these, both of them. All right, so for the first one, I'm gonna look and see what times 6 is gonna get me closest to 32 without going over. So I know that 6 times 5 is 30, right? So I get 30 sixths and 2 sixths, which would give me 36, or 36 plus 2 sixths is 32 sixths, right? And this 36 is how I'm going to get my whole number. And that is going to be 5, because 6 times 5 gives me that 30. And I would be able to pull out 5 6/6. So that'd be a lot to draw. So I just know that 6 times 5 gives me 30. And then I just add in what's my leftover. My leftover part is 2 sixths. So 5 and 2 sixths is your answer. Now, if you're thinking ahead and you're simplifying, you can divide them both by 2. And I'm going to get 5 and 1/3. 5 and 1/3. All right, for the next one, 47 fifths, I need to think about what times 5 gets me closest to 47. And I know it's going to be 45, which is 9. So I'm going to get 45 fifths plus 2 fifths. That's how I would get that leftover, right? So then this 45 fifths is going to be 9, because I know 5 times 9 is 45. And then what's left over is my 2 fifths, and that is your answer. All right, guys, good job. That's all your math for today. And then tomorrow we will be comparing mixed numbers. So we might need some of these skills tomorrow. All right, so I will see you then.